Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you see that I tend to get some interesting ideas and then I can't wait to try them out. So, I'm going to try a technique I thought of. I'm using mostly warmer colors. I am going to throw a little bit of blue in here, but it's going to be a lot of yellow, some red. Actually almost out of red, so probably not that much red. Just the usual primary colors. White and maybe a smidge of black. This is a 9x12 canvas, so I use generally I think about 6 or 7 ounces of paint for that. Should be good. All right, so you know how when you're a kid you draw near Thanksgiving, you draw an outline of your hand and then you paint it like a turkey. So I thought, let's see what happens when you pour over your hand. If this works out and looks cool, we're gonna name it the turkey pour. So here goes nothing. Woo! All right, if anything, this feels like a strange sensation on my hand. What would you guys do without me on all my crazy ideas? Okay. I'm just thinking we'll get a very unique pattern. I don't think it's gonna look anything like a turkey, but I think it'll just be unique. Plus, the glove is a work of art. We'll just frame that later. All right. So you can see these lines in there, which are definitely not a normal design. I definitely am gonna need your guys' opinion on this one. Yep. I like it. That's fun. I think you could add a turkey in there if you wanted to. There's some awesome yellow lacing over here. I don't want to run off the canvas. I'm just going to bring it back this way a bit. So cool. All right, go ahead. We will let this sit for a minute and then we'll do our close-up. All right, I actually really like this. This is definitely a unique kind of fanned pattern. So as always, let me know what you guys think, but let's do our close-up. All right, bottom right-hand corner. I love the lacing over here. Upper right hand corner. So you can totally see where my fingers were. Over to the upper left hand corner. And then the bottom left hand corner. I think this would actually be really interesting to try with the ready mixed paints. All right, so there you go. I'm dubbing this the turkey pour. Let me know what you think. I'm really curious to hear your guys' thoughts and reactions to this one. I have some more kind of crazy ideas coming up. A lot more ideas than I have time, so I try to get them to you as fast as I can. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.